Today I am sharing Ramadan special recipe. It's so simple and easy. Cut chicken breast into small pieces. Oil 2 teaspoons. Add chicken. Fry until turned white. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Onion powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder ½ teaspoon. Garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Cover for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stir. Add ketchup 1 tablespoon. Hot sauce 1 teaspoon. Mayonnaise 1 tablespoon. Turn off heat. Mix it. Done. White bread. Rolling. Cut with cookie cutter. All done. Deep with egg wash. Shake excess. Coat with breadcrumbs. Deep fry. Cut into 2 pieces. Add salad. Add cooked chicken. Ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.